JD 26 here, just do the tips and repairs, and we're with the K Mini. And we took the top off, we took the two screws out here, and we cleaned the pin inside there, the pipe, and we also pulled this off. We have to reassemble this later. But in using this machine, it's all in procedure, okay? So you have to lift that up, you put the water in, okay? All right, close that, open that, put your coffee in here and put it back in the machine with the lock in the front. Close it, put the cup underneath, press the power button on. See, it's blue, it's now blue now flashing. Hit it once, it's red, and it will start brewing coffee like right now, hopefully soon. That's the procedure for this machine. That little pipe up in there could get clogged, so you use a little paper clip, and there's three like holes there that you could just unclog. Just don't spill any coffee inside the machine while you're putting the coffee in. Do the coffee separate. So it will start pouring coffee here in a minute. I know it takes a while, but I wanted to show you this because this one, it's not hard, but it's all in procedure. It's all doing one step at a time. So there it goes. It's pumping the hot water. Well, I just put water, no coffee, into the mug. So I want to show you that. So you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And have a nice day.